How to run MongoDB in Docker container. First of all, you have to go to the command prompt. Make sure that you have Docker installed by writing the command docker. So I make sure that Docker is installed. Now I will write a command that is docker pull mongo. You can see docker pull mongo. It's pulling the image from the registry or Docker hub. Okay, once your image is pulled, you can go to the Docker desktop to see the image. You see the Mongo image has been fetched or pulled. Now another command is to run the container is this. My command is docker run -- name. This is the container name, so I can identify that which container is running. So I name it as Mongo container. -d means it's detached mode. That means this container will be running in the background. And -p is for defining the port. So by default, MongoDB runs on 27017. And Mongo is the image name, that for which image to be run. And it gives you this value. That means your image is being run as a container. So you can see in the container now, see its name as Mongo container. What's your name and port number is this.